Hi everyone, my name is Jack, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Abacum, and today I'm really thrilled to be able to show you the latest release from Abacum Intelligence, AI forecasting. So this release uses actuals data to forecast future performance and is designed to learn and adapt over time to make your forecast more accurate and more valuable to every single stakeholder. So on this screen here, what you can see is that within our Budget 2025 space, I've created a section where we are analysing the value of our strategic accounts and non-strategic accounts for the year of 2025. So I'm looking to create a forecast to understand what kind of existing ARR I can predict for the coming year. And I'm going to use AI forecasting to generate that forecast, which will fill this section here. So let's go into the model. So what you can see here is that currently the data for strategic accounts and non-strategic accounts is blank. We haven't got any forecasted numbers. And when we break down our forecast, we can see that it's broken down into different layers of granularity. So within our dimensions, we support unlimited dimensions, and we allow you to get really granular when you're using AI forecasting to really understand performance deviations. So for us, in this example, we do it based on locations. So we can see the individual ARR forecasts for each customer and also the locations where that customer does business. So we can get quite granular, but you can go a lot deeper. It's entirely up to you. So once I'm ready, I click generate and this will kick in the AI forecast. And so in a couple of seconds, that will populate all of these numbers, as you can see. And now we've got data for 2025. And then I'll do the same for our non-strategic accounts. And again, just make sure that we're going to the most granular level and most granular dimension. So now that that's done, you can see that within a couple of clicks, I've now got actionable data for my 2025 forecast. And if I go back to my space and I go back to budget 2025, you can now see that within my existing ARR table, I've got 2023 performance, I've got this year's forecast performance, and I've now generated a budget and forecast for 2025 in 2 minutes. So at this point, I can then engage with our head of CS and I can say, hey Sam, like the forecast is ready. Can you review and set up time to discuss? Because within this forecast, although we've created a benchmark here, Sam's still able to go in and edit any of those numbers. So if she knows things about, existing accounts that they're potentially going to be more lucrative than we forecast or less lucrative, she can go in and make those amendments and we can come to a decision for this bottom up budget. So there you go. That is AI forecasting in a couple of minutes. The process is designed to improve the accuracy of forecasting. It's designed to give those budget owners like Sam more autonomy, but also give them a guideline that they can work with. And it allows for dynamic rolling forecasts because you can do it so fast. You can update this regularly as you get more actuals data without that manual cost of having to prepare everything from scratch. So to find out more, head over to abacum.io or get in touch with our team directly.